Google just announced on a recent earnings call that over a quarter of their new code that's being written is actually generated by AI, which probably explains why so many Google products just kind of feel like trash lately. During this same earnings call, they talked about how revenue is up in this quarter and how things are just looking so good for all of Google's products. Even though if you've used any of Google's products recently, you'll know that most users don't feel that way. They talked about Gemini and DeepMind and Notebook LM, which are a lot of their AI products. And if you're a developer who's been using AI and large language models to help them with coding, you'll know that pretty much nobody uses Gemini. We're all either using Claude, OpenAI, or a mixture of both. They could have been writing that code now using AI tools, which leads me to kind of want to talk about a little bit of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt when we start seeing big companies like this using AI and tools that could replace developers. It obviously shows that big companies are going to start adopting more AI tools for code. But this also might mean that there's going to be a shift in how we look at entry-level roles for junior developers moving forward. And it also kind of means that there could be a shift in how we develop as programmers and how we need to start approaching learning to code and even being a professional developer. While there's still a lot of companies that might not be adapting to this new tool that we have, us as developers, we need to start embracing these tools and using them more often, because it's obviously the shift that's being made into how this profession and this career is handled and the way that we handle our daily duties and our tasks. As a developer who's been using some of these tools, I can say that the code quality isn't that great. These tools still make a lot of mistakes. And the fact that we still need a lot of human intervention and we still need to guide these things and babysit them because they make so many mistakes leads me to believe that we're safe for now. And when all of this AI slop is written, I think it's going to just ensure that we have more job security moving forward, because in the past you had crap code written by shitty developers and now you just have crap code written by AI. Now we're just going to be dealing with AI slop instead of slop written by other devs. I do think that this is just a shift in the way that the work is going to be done and in the industry itself, and we're going to be okay at the end of the day.